masai lo fi pasya hi ta sales manager ko ma puila ta so in staff of the introduction to the ka lo ya ke share the lo so se so in ka technician lo so le bo se ani hi training din sab ko ta company ng training din sab pa le ya service manager lo so le bo se sani receptionist lo so le bo se so in Fredia, and the sales are our so in doing sales and so in Mapui there, showing housekeeping area. Any was looking at the so in the sales and service building the Tahikan Dona, so in Northeast Villa Lumsun and the Dona spare parts and service in a boat at Chatayam. There we have two top Dona to do the something.
Helai showroom ahin pai tu no dona school ka po ole hey koina showroom ba hey nakina company mi le sa den anon so hi ko chu garenga ase tri ma chon kan lo tum khalama ka hian Motohaus a hianin company pati an oma chung te chu VLF Brixton motorcycles di dan dia VLF yang scooter pati model pati tuna chon an nei ria chon Brixton motorcycles hian in bike pati an nei chu chon in subparent an nei boka chon in heng company pati te hi saprama tanga chok be an dia VLF hi Velocifaro brand Italian brand an nia Joan Brixton motorcycles si Austria labatanga chok ania apai Brixton motorcycles si Austrian brand ania sami so khan tran ania brand hi an bike siam tla pui chu neo retro style ania melen chon manla mel model amara chu engine de electronics technology thar be platform te ania chuta choni model pati la oma Crossfire 500X there, Cromwell 1200 then yeah, Crossfire 500X no ya yanin pati ya oma Crossfire 500X di joinin and then me ya ye classic male pule pe amaro chu changkang deu ake te fok te engine tiang changkang deu han khal mai the tu ki tam zo pin an zoom phi tu rang chi an ya chuan Crossfire XC hồng lệ, chú scram là cái tiếng chỉ khám lệ, Crossfire X này khám engine này à, chassis này à, mà rồi chú ako asuti thấy số ba cái mà cái liền sẽ ta, chú spoke with về về anh mà anh cái mà sẽ spoke with có sự can keep place cái keep phong anh là вам chẳng hạn, hoặc mà cái sự bài này system thì để here tổng này thì các cái công dụng của lại bởi vì anh lấy đồ rong cần ngày phố mấy à thì mà anh lấy đồ rong cần bị sẹo nó cho ăn là gì vậy cả nó sợi rong khác nó phải chịu sang cho nên đi đến nơi cái đâu là cái nào just view cái cái này thì anh cho nên tùy cho cái thằng cái mà so chúng mình bảo cho nên Cromwell 1200 mà Cromwell 1200 P 1200cc này Crossfire 500X 500cc mà Cromwell 200 hianin chỉ điều qua roadster này Cromwell 1200X antia roadster hi chu tất cả những chiếc thiệp đó nó em mới bullet bằng tay chỉ đều không bên mặt lại đều ama rồi chu engine trang cảm được 1200cc đó ya engine hiền anh ya engine nó xiêm đàn hi speed sang tất cả các điều làm không có áp chặt nó còn suốt thì là vin slow ning cái thì mình cái start đã tút kia cái đó anh làm trong tiếng chỉ ama hanin to tầm lúc to cái thì cho nên chơi to một phi nó tụ phát ra tụ phát ra nó chú Cromwell 1200 cho nên chỉ đi ở bên thua Cromwell 200 roadster bạc hanin 1200X khảo mà XC limited edition anh em mà sẽ tạo hiện ở bên chắc về là cho nên Motohaus VLF showroom thar tu hi an yon duat biu ni tur ni limited edition bike ka hian an lam tel ka จุดที่ชวนนี่ Brixton มอเตอร์ไซค์ตัวอยากชวนนี่ไปจีดีตุลาที่ชวนเอามาที่ชวน VLF แล้วมาข้างเฮียก็สวยต่อข้าง VLF ที่อิตาเลียนคอมพานีอาการดิ้งชัวอันเดียโอ้สกูตร์กับไม่เห็นใบเก่าที่ CKD อันเดียจู่ๆ completely lockdown unit อัปปะสักทีอินเดียมาเสียมันนี่แล้วว่ามุนดามาเสียอินเดียมาเริ่มโค้งไปทุกวันนี้จู่ว่าชวนนี่Lemin amat tepok sampai India rawahian ni apa sosok di sini di sektor AI yang amat ni tak yang masih kompani sosok itu dia India rawa siap apa ada di sini apa yang kita jadi function ni soal VLF rawa VLF hian skuter pakti kan ya pakatu tenis 1500 dan dia juga electric scooter kan ya pakatu voina kanin shopping na tu he mopsar 135 andini electric scooter ka kaya ben hanen kon amoya Italian design ka per an buang to ba an design to hisu ya jodi mo paun ka sena ayo wa kison sa so na sa ma electric scooter ka so yu the ya ben so na mo pero chumai ba ka arong mo ko ni sa lon bio mo chuan voina kan starting there so VLF mopsa 135 anya na to ma Ingat kami kan kan kata lain kata 135 dia CC2 135 dia. Jual kami cuma moksa dia satu tujuan ni soal apa? Ani ka top maya kami lekan yang ang scooter ni ang ben ni abang pani ni abang tumba acim lain kesia. Alai tu te asal yang berin dia rola cuma pitang putar sengin. Kita production lem ke durangin anu siang kuya cuti yang orang cik de along ni mak se voina helaya VLF mopsa kan durang hiso mi akan ini siapa mo antar gede customer itu hero ani to meni putar ke kejual mak hai to wang amar tu putar de durang siang lo jadi road tu durang siapa cuti yang sesuatu apel bukan pun ini nama meli dalam orang itu dia orang skuter mel puri dia ramah karena pengai lepas itu moksa soal apa yang akan kali saya ini juga kalau dengan soal ayat ini untuk lagi untuk ini kan dia 125cc kan dia lebih good engine bang cat merah 125cc lebih good ini dia ramah karena ini kayak sesuatu karena Mopsa 135 yen with engine 135cc out McDonald's. Liu the two-wheeler dangin alaro kin ailo tin pakhat aro kina dash cam dia bani akanin showroom ye do la ka video toite kan siapa eskuta ke starting mi attention alan sa ngai pen ato sa ngai pen cha ko lo ni relo ani be aspect ani jodi khun nan enanga tu te na moni du to ka ama sung to na asen fe or dua modify na chuang very production version aro scope ani ADV di ni bela kami je chu adventure pinanda adventure sticker amron da va hinge fela ke hi photo shoot no ma do purpose style kan nakila SUV kan nei ma 公司那个规划，很多人本身都做阿妈个做 125cc ADV 咁樣嚟嘅話，做啊會看到啲嘅話，啊個啲嘅，當你上嘅咩法，高啱啲啊查嗰啲啊，一啲人行啲呢件公司等方面，然後啲咩公司嗰啲啊參做，如果佢度人佢做，按先嚟拖嗰啲靠唔好，但係這嘛 run target big 你。customer ini yang chalai target mereka yang siap dapat yang jitu tekan siap deh untuk se company nak buat VLF farm nak tu truck.
Good afternoon everyone, and my name is Tushar. I am the Managing Director of Motohaus India, and it gives me immense pleasure to be present here today for our opening of 15th Motohaus showroom here in India. Mizoram and Aizawl is a very important location for us strategically. And since I've come here yesterday, I've seen a lot of scooters in the city, especially funky scooters, which we don't usually see in the western or the southern or the other parts of India. So, as what the gentleman was saying, especially about the monster. Well, what we can assure is that the Elza Motohaus showroom, the dealership over here, has been trained specifically to our SOPs, which are being followed globally for both our brands, Brixton, which is an Austrian brand, and VLF, which is an Italian brand. And I think this gentleman did a great job in explaining all of the technical details. So, a big round of applause for this gentleman for explaining everything so professionally. As I was saying, the sales team of this showroom as well as the service team have been trained properly at our headquarters. So our manufacturing facility is in Kolhapur, which is in Maharashtra state. So all of the manufacturing of these products happens over there. So the technical team and the sales team were there in our headquarters where we gave them the proper training, which will help ensure that the customers here in Aizawl get the best of the services. In regards to the question that he asked was about the spare part availability. So what we can assure is that for the last 1 year that we've been present in India, we've not had any single major issue or breakdown of any of our vehicles. And secondly, we've had zero major customer complaints in regards to the non-availability of the spare parts. So we can assure the people of Aizawl rather that the spare part availability is something which is very important for us. Unlike other brands, we don't want to expand rapidly. We want to expand in a slow way, so that to ensure that every location we are able to provide the best of the services to the customers. So yes, coming to the point, yes, we would be very much equipped with the spare parts, and we are sure that even the dealership will be equipped with all the spare parts, the moving spare part. Of course, there might be scenarios or cases that there is an accident to the vehicle that comes in, and maybe one other part is not available. But in that case also, we are sure that in the next 10 days the part will come here and the customer will get the part. So we are sure the best of the services to the people of Aizawl. Thank you.
I'm here to charge the NBR 20 LZ Motohaus dealer principal in Mupaka. Anong sabi din po na Mupaka ng buwa o ang Mupaka ni Lord Swap sila nito.
Độc lồ.
Để cho nên là đang đi chút thì Kacumi dan aku nahian kaya mai rozu hinzu bipuyan sanadiya bipuyin countdown kando desin ako. Bahal mati katung katiane mo bahal mati katung katiane lagi. Jadi ani jangan katung katiane mo na ilaw ko hondonya o. Oleh kami bingem. Bakat Motohaus saya berdoa kita malah lebih baik dan tidak makin baik masuk pada tuhan dia. Mai rozu Ari wala siya din hindi siya kayobe. Ani breakthrough. Countdown sa kaya ko. Ani breakthrough bakal. Dan atlet itu kan tuh kita.
At 1,29,999 showroom, the VLF Brixton also starts at the same price, 1,29,999. For the Brixton range, the Crossfire 500SC, it starts at 3,99,000 ex-showroom, all the ex-showroom prices. The 1200cc range, it starts at 8,24,000 ex-showroom. So all the prices that I've said are ex-showroom prices. We also have a few offers for this month, considering the Christmas festive season here as well, which is very big. So please contact the sales team. They would be more than happy to brief you about the ongoing offers that we have announced for Wednesday Motohaus. And once again, I would like to thank everyone who was present over here. I would like to thank our leader principal. I would like to thank the entire Wednesday Motohaus team for working so hard to put this show together. And once again, a big thank you to the people of Faisal. Thank you so much.
Kapa Islam kumanya putak puitu te ayo ya anni tien tien poi kan fele coba kapa punya se coba bilang dia tuma dan stop itu dan fele ko aka kau ini dan saksela
Ito he, very nice. Mr. Losa po, oh hey, hey po. Rider, deu an hu deu su ni. So an hey. An review na kina, komin re deu lek pot selan review yang so so. Lo so ba lo chu ve le fu to me. Oh. Ai me ko mai. Tunagan Hohi, Brixton 500 Crossfire XC niya, 47 horsepower, 43 Newton meters. Torque niya, forky, 150 mm. So one rear suspension so, rear so, 130 mm niya. So one nung two piston, 240 mm rear. This niya. So what mahi? Ini dia. Oh hehi. At na chu 4 piston. Ani tani. A piston yang loso palir ron chu kina chu. Nilam beve pahi beve na chiplet tina ni tani. Adi nom dot tina chu. So na mata yari 17 inch ani ya. Pati 19 inch front ani ya. 110. So what atnung hi 150 17 inch ani tani. 150 Julian thapa ngai oh. One city here, so the hot maya, Mapoilian far. It has a via one, you have any. So on to me here, VLF tennis here, kilometers Zapanga range and here, top speed is 65 km/h in Ansala. So on a battery here, 2.5 kilowatt battery, full charge in 0 to 100 here, 3 hours, the cartuma, a charge full, take it so. So one kg is uncle may 88 kg legani ya. So one a tire here 12-inch tire. Apahin namang ani. So one amahi diesel ni boka. Oh. Diesel ni tani. Mo ikop may. Hey tulay sana electric te po ko tibu sana. Train cut product train cut so electric ngoi hi oma hey nal voklo. Block deu hi om tani luka niyan. Luk sa hiyan. Pasay chu looks po here, fit and finish fine. Oh, may oh, hey, 500 ani ah. So ano lahi ka na lesin lo ka. Hey, Brixton Cromwell 1200. Oh, 1200 cc niya. 183 horsepower ano ya. 108 Nm torque ano ini. 8 valve ita, 8 valve. Oh. So inline 2 cylinder, twin cylinder kanti ito oh. Royal Enfield 650 kanti 3 cylinder ang kanay a silencer po pati chuwa ka. So a 4 key 120 mm travel anita. So 41 laizong hi 41 mm thickness ani. Oh. So FZ 4 ang tiyan vel tinan chu lian tha pa ngai oh. So area hi 87 mm travel ani ta ni chuan khani ta a front tire hi kan soi le lokang a front tire hi 110 18 inch ania chuan a hnung tire hi 160 17 inch ani ta ni chuan a hnung tire hi chu rear hi brake hi anin lokang he tai kan lokang 260 mm disc ani ta ni chuan a hma hi kan le lokang a hma hi front hi 310 mm front disc ani ta ni hei a compact nal khop maya Triumph speed twin kan tiang chi ho tai pang khan ni cho look si moi thawang wang khop mai hei pating de olek chuan in than la pui tlang pui ni chuan ni so ta sawang kal lenga a pia son hei ei tur vel te khala oma e mal so ma po ma ni a buai khop mai chuan he lai hian hei kan en le lokang a helai mi hi VLF Mobster kan ti khan ta 135 an tia ma se cc tak chu 125 ania 12 PS power ania chuan 11.7 Newton meters torque ania 47 km per liter in an chala ma se Mizoram chuan 38 ral ani garinga a weight hi 122 kg ania petrol hi liter ria ta lenga ni chunga hianin chuan 155 mm ground clearance asang thapa ai Manilo kan Lonster XSR 155 ka 120 mm chau ni ground clearance se chu tau mai don lo tin ani chom che chu chuan a seat height hi a seat san le tanga a seat san zong hi 797 mm seat height ani chuan heta hian a dor na hi hei sai kham kon then pe ma a petrol pump bul chia Mahindra loya ania takai nan chen do chuan vocal ve sinula ri nai takin anal intiang anal ani nal takani thalai a tlana don hei chuan liquid cooled ti ka soi mai 125cc liquid cooled chun ani ang cha to na the chuan helai kan pa ka chuan a front le rear hi disc brake ve ni boka hei nal tra takani chuan a tire hi almost move harf 120 by 70 by 12 inch ya anu 130 English ya kasi solo chon te vel chon he look su moi khop mai chon ta hian teni so kha color sang oma color sang ren cool ver him chimila he blue ni he gray chon black white a color ho jum chimi changkang mai he han fade ang chi khom lo tak tha ni chu a color hi tlo don ni sa ti vel pon em da mai lo wang ti kha sia ta ni hei no yom ko hei khop mai na ta i tur lo char boka so hei em evral te po an vlog boy khop mai voin chu puar thali kha tha poi mo that hala mi hi asang kiu kini ke chi ping kan nin to hala ni chu ei puang zar mai ni so ta son los kulo sa te hawa no ma pe kan nen hei ani so lo review zo to voi na hian hei kai khom le transfer ma nuam khop mai ti song khan ni ro se